Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 13 and today we will be presenting our fruit product which is Botanical Beverage mix of Sacha, Inchi and Rosebud. Let me introduce our group members. First of all is me, Shakirin. Second is my Sarah. The third one is Wan. And the fourth one is Irdina. For the introduction part, first, introducing our ready-to-drink beverage of Sacha, Inchi and Rosebud, which is type of healthy, low-calorie, low-fat soft drink. Extracted from dried Sacha Inchi leaves and rosebud, our drinks can help with heart attack, diabetes, lowered cholesterol levels, improve weight loss, and take care of our gut health. Rosebud is rich in antioxidant, caffeine-free, and believed to help in menstrual pain for the women and reducing laxative effect. Polyphenols as powerful antioxidants in Sacha Inchi, able to support the immune system and prevent serious diseases. The type of food additives that have been used is sucralose, an artificial sweetener, which is a 0-calorie and has no aftertaste and do not spike the blood sugar level. The second one is pectin stabilizer, a consumer-friendly, natural soluble fiber and giving more pleasing mouthfeel. It can stabilize the drink and improve blood sugar. Inulin, which is a thickener, can increase the viscosity, is a slightly sweet, soluble fiber that can also help in gut health. It is also low fat and sugar. The last one is jelly mushroom glycolipids, an effective natural preservative, can extend shelf life and prevent growth of yeast and mold. So actually, what is a jelly mushroom glycolipid? So it is a glycolipid mixture derived from the Dicropanax spatularia. It is actually a natural, safe, and cost-efficient. It can be functioning as preservatives and has antifungal effects against common yeast, molds, and antimicrobial effect. The maximum amount permitted level for herbal infusion and similar product
is 10 mg per kg of jelly mushroom glycolipid.
The ingredients is water 75%, Sacha Inchi leaves 11%, rosebud 9%, inulin 0.51%, pectin 5%, sucralose 0.02%, and the last one, sweet osmanthus ear glycolipids is 0.008%.
For the food process, there are 5 stages during fruit processing, which is cleaning, milling, drying, brewing, and final filtration. Both Sacha Inchi leaf and rosebud are washed using clean water prospectively. This is to prevent the consumer from eating physical dirt. After that, during the milling process, the Sacha Inchi leaf are cut into small pieces. Then, both Sacha Inchi leaf and rosebud are dried into a dryer machine. Drying removes the moisture from the food so bacteria cannot grow and spoil the food. So, next slide. So, for the next stage, which is brewing, the dried Sacha Inchi leaf and dried rosebud are brewed in a brewer machine until it becomes an extract. Then, the extract to remove any Sacha Inchi leaf and rosebud that may have mixed with it. After completing all the 5 stages, the extract will be pasteurized by high temperature short time pasteurization for 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Although it is not effective as UHT pasteurization, HTST pasteurization strikes a great balance between the food safety, long shelf life, and uncompromised flavor. Then, next slide. Then, the preservative like pectin, inulin, sucralose, and sweet osmanthus ear glycolipids are added into the extract. This is to extend the shelf life of the product as a stabilizer, thickener, and a sweetener. After that, the product will undergo a sensory test. The sensory attributes include appearance, kinesthetic, and flavor. This type of analysis has been used for the purpose of accepting and rejecting the product. Lastly, the product will undergo packaging process. Next slide. So for the food packaging and packaging, the reason why we use aluminum can packaging is because, first, as a product protection, the packaging is opaque and keeps sunlight from reaching the product inside, so it will protect the inside content from damage, thus extend the shelf life. When it comes to durability, aluminum considerably more durable than paper and plastic. Hence, it helps the product from the. Aluminum is one of the most recycled material in the world. Therefore, aluminum may be recycled and reused again and again and again without using any of its characteristic or quality. After that, aluminum is light. The reduction in weight means lower shipping cost plus increased convenience for people to buy the product. Last but not least, aluminium can packaging also can attract the consumer to buy the product, especially for the one who want to go green.
On this slide, I will present about our beverage product packaging, which contains all the information levels and nutritional content. First, name of the product. Our product beverage name is Chi Rose, a botanical beverage mix of Sacha Inchi and rosebud extract. Second, labels must tell the truth. On our canned beverage, we have Sacha Inchi and rosebud picture. Ingredients truly contain Sacha Inchi and rosebud. Third, nutrient content claim. We claim our product are low calorie, low fat, cholesterol free, and no added sugar. Fourth, direction for use and storage. Our beverage can store at room temperature and it is best served chilled. Fifth, we use other information, which is logo. The logo we put here is HQC Halal logo, Recycle logo, and HACCP logo. Recall information. Our product is manufactured by JardenBaby.co and the country of origin is in Singapore. Next, we have date marking. We use best before for our food product based on food regulations 1985 regulation 14 date marking date of minimum durability in relation to a package of food means the date until which the food when kept in storage conditions set out in the label of such food will retain any specific qualities for which the said or express claim has been made. Next, nutrition information panel. Our product contain 250 milliliter per can. We have per 1 serving and per 100 milliliter on nutrition information. On nutrition information also we have calories, total fat that comprising of saturated fat and trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbs, dietary fiber, and protein. We also include total sugar on our nutrition information as we produce product ready to drink beverage. On the nutrition information, we also include vitamin and mineral. Our product is imported in Malaysia by My Kuo Sendirian Berhad, and this is the address of the company. Our net weight product is 250 milliliter. Our ingredient list are listed in descending order by ingredient weight. We also put percentage labeling in each ingredients on the ingredient list. Lastly, we have food additive, which is preservative, sweet osmanthus, ear, glycolic.
Food legislation. Based on Food Regulation 1985, our product is categorized as soft drink, which is botanical beverage mix. It is because it contains edible portion or extract of plant or herbs, which are from Sacha Inchi leaves and rosebud. Next, as we can see from our labeling, it is labeled as botanical beverage mix of Sacha Inchi and rosebud extract. We use the word mix because it contains more than one type of plants. Next, nutrient function claim. The usage of inulin in our product has its own beneficial function, which is the first one, inulin helps increase intestinal bifidobacteria and maintain good intestinal environment. Bifidobacteria is a bacteria that live in our gut and can elevate constipation and produce vitamin B6, which help in cells metabolism. Next, inulin is bifidogenic as it promotes the growth of bifidobacteria. Regulation 20 preservative. As we can see, preservative we use is a sweet osmanthus ear glycolipids, which expressed as percentage in this food ingredient, and this amount does not exceed the percentage of ingredient in food preparation. We claim our product as low calorie, low fat, cholesterol free, and no added sugar. Low calorie because it only contains 15 calories per servings and no more than 40 calories as per mentioned in regulation. Next, it is a low fat because our product contains only 2 grams of fats and this is less than 3 grams or less of total fat in the regulation mentioned. We have zero cholesterol, which is we are cholesterol free and no added sugar. We also claim our product has no artificial colors and flavors. This is because the color and flavor are coming from naturally Sacha Inchi leaves and rosebud. Next, we have two prominent food quality that we want to retain to our consumer, which is quality in packaging, and the second one is prevention microorganism growth. For quality in packaging, the problem may arise due to the deterioration during canning process, which causes from improper can sealing. And this causes the food product, our food product, which is Sacha Inchi, can be exposed to the content of air or contaminants from the surrounding. So we plan to do double inspection after vacuum leakage checker by our human power to ensure all the products are sealed perfectly. Next, for the prevention of microorganism growth, this can be causes by two factors, which is spoilage in preservatives used and default in pasteurization process. Spoilage in our preservatives, which is mushroom jelly glycolipid, can cause growth of yeast and mold in our food products. And next, default in pasteurization process is coming from pasteurization machinery that does not achieve 72 degrees Celsius for HTST pasteurization. This can cause our food product, the microorganism in our food product is not deactivated and the shelf life may be interrupted. So we are planning to do preservative efficacy test on every batch production to ensure the shelf life is prolonged and the preservative is effective. And next one is regular checkup on maintenance of machinery. This to ensure our product is perfectly pasteurized by HTST pasteurization and it is safe to consume by the consumers. So I think that's all. Thank you.